Welcome. If you want to set password on your Sharp Aquos TV, at first you have to use your remote control, and for sure you can navigate by using these arrows and OK button. So we have to click menu and we have to go for the settings. It's right here. Next we have to go for the lock. We have to input the password. So that's the default password. It will be, in my case it was 4 times 0. And it will be probably also works in your case, but if you have any problem with that, you can use 4 times 1 on 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, that's basic password that you can find in this kind of devices. So okay, so let's go back because our menu just time out. Let's go back for the lock. So one more time, let's input the password. As I said before, 0000. Enable the system lock, then go for the set password, and we have to enter the password, the new one. We can change it, so we have to input the currently one, and right now I'm gonna switch for the 111. 4 times 1, and that's success. The password has changed. So as you can see right now, we can scroll down and we can lock, for example, set the key lock like partial or full. You can decide. We can also set the source lock. So for example, if you want to block like the HDMI 2 input source, you can make it by selecting the switcher. And take a look right now. When I try to change the source to the HDMI 2, I will be not able without using the password. As you can see, there is no this HDMI 2, it just disappeared. So we cannot enter. I just made a mistake when I tried to tell you that you have to input the password when you try to switch, but actually there is no HDMI, so you can basically get rid of that from the screen. And if you want to get it back, that's simple. You have to just go back for the settings. For lock, input the password, right now the new one. In my case there's 4 times 1. Then scroll down and there's the source lock, so I can just unlock the HDMI 2, and after that it will appears on the list. Yeah, so that was simple, right? There's also the hotel mode where you can lock other things, and the default password to the hotel mode it's 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Okay. I don't know what is going on here. Let's try one more time. 1, 1, 1, and 1. Okay. Unfortunately, it's not working. Wow, that surprised me a little bit. But yeah, if you have any channel on the TV, you can also lock them the same like on the source lock. So yeah, that's how you can set it up. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.